Is that good? You like that? All right. Get that printer. Get that printer. Oh, yeah.
Who's that printer's daddy?
Fixed? Good.